Okay, so we're going to make a new cable, pull cable for the bonnet on the Buick. So these have been squashed, so we can't reuse them. So I'm going to make some new ones out of a brass door hinge pin. It's got a nice dome already on the top of it, and then we'll make this one out of the piece on the end. So we'll measure it up and machine them up on the lathe. $33.2. Five. $5.4. All right. And then this is just over 6. New pin is 6. So all we need to do is cut that off and drill it. And we want to make that 29.5. So there you have it, we've machined it up. I've left it at the size that the pin was to start with. A little recess for the grub screw. So that slides in just nicely. And the cable goes all the way up to there. So we'll put that in with a bit of Loctite. And we will squash it down. We'll hammer it down and crimp it in there. This one, the first one I tried to make, I tried to do the 1.5mm hole. Incredibly hard to drill. The drill grabs a little bit and it just snaps too easily. So I've gone with a 2mm hole on this one. Okay, so we've made the end for the spring. We've hooked the cable in, squashed it down with some Loctite. Put the cable liner on, and then the pin end where the handle goes. So now we can fit it to the car. Okay, so it's in the car. Got the new liner going through the holes. When the lid comes down, latches that like that. Pull it, and then it unlatches. And you've got the pull cord. Oh man.